Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're building a fun and practical DIY project, a cardboard water dispenser. We'll make a mini water dispenser using simple materials you likely have at home. It's a non-electric project, perfect for kids or anyone who enjoys crafting and wants a fun way to dispense water or juice. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need cardboard, a clean plastic bottle, a straw, and a simple tap or pinch valve. Also, grab tape, glue, a ruler, a pencil, and scissors or a craft knife. Safety first, so use adult supervision when using a craft knife. Now, let's build the main structure. Cut cardboard pieces to create a box for your dispenser. The size is up to you, but consider the bottle and the glass size. You'll need a base, 4 side panels, and a top. The top should have a hole for the plastic bottle's neck. Assemble the box using tape and glue, ensuring everything is secure. Let the glue dry completely. Next, prepare the plastic bottle for the water reservoir. Make sure it's clean and dry. Invert it inside the dispenser, with the opening going through the hole in the top. This prevents leaks. Now, for the dispensing mechanism. Attach the straw to the bottom of the inverted bottle, sealing it tightly with tape or glue. Make sure the straw reaches outside the box. At the end of the straw, attach your tap or pinch valve for flow control. Create a small hole in the side of the box for the straw and tap valve to pass through. Secure the straw and make the tap or pinch valve easily accessible. The tap allows easy water flow control. The pinch valve can be made by pinching the straw, and you can secure it with a simple button. Time to test. Fill the plastic bottle with water or juice, and carefully invert it inside the cardboard structure. Make sure the cap is on tight. Open the tap or press the button. As you fill the glass, it should dispense a nice, controlled stream. If you have problems, troubleshoot. Check for leaks and secure connections. Does water flow easily? Check for blockages. Are you using a button for the valve? Try again, adjusting components if needed. And there you have it, a homemade, non-electric cardboard water dispenser. It's a fun and practical project, perfect for learning about mechanics and recycling. Decorate it as you like. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.